Hi, in this video I will show you how you can fix your spelling or grammatical error in Canva. So this is very important, especially if you have a design that contains a lot of text and you don't want to distract the viewer's attention by showing some wrong spellings or grammatical error on your text. You want to make sure that it is as accurate as possible. And fortunately, that thing can be done directly using Canva. So in this example, I have this text which is fine, except you might notice that this particular word is not correct. It's missing the H letter at the end, and we want to add that. This is just one example, of course. In reality, you could have a very long text and maybe multiple spelling errors. So you want to fix it very quickly, and in order to do that, you have to select the text box and click Magic Write. And then here we want to select fix spelling and just wait until Canva with its AI generate the correct version of the text. And you'll see this is just the preview, and the well word here now is correct. There is an H at the end, and you can either add below or replace the original text box. I'm going to replace the original text box, and there you go. That's basically how you can fix spelling and fix grammatical error in Canva. I hope you find this video helpful.